They sound like they're. Oh, hello guys. I was playing Roblox, and this kid joined me, and her name is Alexia. Guys, I don't know what to do. She told me to call the cops. She keeps telling me that she's being abused right now. I don't know what to do. If she says anything else, I'll let y'all know. But she sounds like this. It sounds like she is being legit right now. If y'all know this girl, can y'all tell me if she's being abused? This is what she looks like. She keeps telling me that she's being abused, and she's telling me to call the cops. And actually, I don't know what to do. I just was gonna play in a lobby with random people in Animal Hospital until I found out this. And this girl does sound like that she is being abused. She's standing still. I think she's starting to be abused again. She told me that she's been thrown around rooms and that she has been hit and stuff. I don't know what to do. She keeps telling me to call the cops. Should I call the cops? She told me she'll give me the address and everything.
Can y'all help us?
You see, she said it again.
Can y'all help us?
It sounds like she's crying.
See, can you help me?
This girl is backing up. I feel bad for her. If she is being abused, then why is she on Roblox? Why is she on Roblox trying to tell people?
Why are y'all letting the anomaly in? No, don't let anomalies in.
Guys, I'm going to keep recording this girl. Her mic sounds like it's a little broken, and
Man, fuck y'all. So fucking fresh.
Did she just get banned? She just started cussing and all that. She just started cussing us out. I don't think she is real. I don't think she is actually being, abused. If she was abused, why would she go on Roblox and do all this? And I'm not saying this is staged or anything. I don't even know. I'm not even saying this is staged. Like, this is real. We got into the lobby and then we just what the fuck? What the? We need to go risk it, buddy. Look, I'm gonna go risk it. Idiot. Leave. Oh my god. Why is bro giving me that look? Okay, we get it. Get out of the shop. Like, I don't know if that was real, but if that was crazy. I guess this is gonna become a gaming video now. I was not meant to do this. I just started recording because this girl was, kept saying that she was gonna be abused. Or that she was being abused. And honestly, I'm starting to think that she wasn't really. She was just trying to find a way to, kidnap. There's some people. She was probably trying to find a way to kidnap people because some people use this app, they use Roblox as a kidnapping website sometimes, so I don't know, maybe hopefully some people did not get followed for it. Hopefully some people don't fall for that. Y'all tell me if the comments if that was real, because that did sound real. But then I mean, I don't know. I'm just gonna leave the game. I just tried to join a random game until I got cussed out and kept getting told that someone has been abusing me. Someone has been abusing this kid. They cussed us out and said, you know what, F y'all, you B word, and then left the game, so I'm gonna stop recording. If y'all know what's going on, tell me.